The first country to develop bread is often attributed to Egypt. The Egyptians are renowned for their early mastery of bread making around 3500 BCE, where they discovered the technique of fermentation, leading to the creation of leavened bread. This marked a significant advancement in the history of bread, transforming it from simple flatbreads to the lighter and more flavorful loaves that we are familiar with today. Today, we'll take you on a journey through a modern factory to discover the meticulous process that transforms simple ingredients into delicious and nutritious multigrain bread. Our journey begins at the factory entrance, where only the finest ingredients are selected to create multigrain bread. These ingredients form the foundation of our delicious and nutritious product. Here in the ingredient storage area, we find a wide array of grains, such as wheat, oats, barley, and seeds like flax and sunflower. These grains are carefully sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring top quality for our bread. The grains are then sent through a milling process, where they are ground into fine flour. This fresh flour is combined with water, yeast, and other essential ingredients in precise proportions. The result? A dough that forms the heart of our multigrain bread. It is expertly kneaded, allowing gluten to develop. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise, a crucial step in developing the bread's texture and flavor. Once the dough has risen to perfection, the dough enters a specialized machine known as a dough divider. This clever device has a small hole that allows the dough to escape while a mechanically operated arm precisely cuts the dough into equal lengths. This step ensures consistency and uniformity in the size of each loaf, a key element in producing high-quality multigrain bread. Here, the dough pieces are shaped into balls, making them more manageable for further processing. Following that, a machine dispenses flour onto the dough balls to prevent any sticking as they undergo further processing. Subsequently, the dough is meticulously folded and rolled out to achieve precise dimensions before being carefully placed into baking molds. The dough then enters massive ovens, where they are baked at precise temperatures. The heat causes the bread to rise even further, creating a golden brown crust and a tender, flavorful interior. After baking, the loaves are carefully placed on cooling racks to preserve their freshness. Once they've cooled down, they move to the slicer, which cuts the loaves into pieces by sharp, long steel saw blades. These blades are changed every 2 weeks. Then they move to the packaging area, where they are sealed and labeled, ready to be shipped to stores near you. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.